I was supposed to leave around 5:35, but then it took some time. So guys, this is my first vlog and I don't know how this is going to look, but I think I'll do my best to share, you know, my journey with you all, and hope you like it. I think this is my favorite connector which connects Mumbai to Navi Mumbai. Trucks everywhere. Mumbai is always really, busy. Even on the Sundays, people just travel. But इसी का नाम है जिंदगी. I just met a fellow TRK rider, though he was just going to Panvel. And मेरा तो लंबा जर्नी है भाई. कि 11 का मार्क कम ही नहीं हो रहा है. So I checked with a rider who just rode to Goa from Pune. So as per him, the roads are really good. So I don't think so. Ride should be a problem at least. It should be comfortable. Happening. I'm riding to Goa. When I was in Chandigarh, I used to go to a lot of places in Himachal, go to Uttarakhand, weekend trips. Yeah, this is something new. Roads are different, people are different, food is different. So I'm crossing Mango right now, and it feels so different here. Different side of Maharashtra, you know, like how small towns in Punjab look like villages, and towns. It's totally different how it feels here and how it feels here. आई थिंक वो हाईवे वाला रोड पे ये सब नहीं देखने को मिलता है. यू डोंट गेट टू क्रॉस टाउन्स. तुम बार बार से चले जाते हो, एंड व्हेन यू पास थ्रू ऑल दीज विलेजेस एंड टाउन्स यू गेट टू सी सो मेनी न्यू थिंग्स. इंफ्रा मार्केट्स. इंडिया आगे बढ़ रहा है. अच्छा, आई थिंक डेवलपमेंट इज इट. यार आई थिंक मैंने इतना ज़्यादा बोला था ना पहले, मतलब फ्यू मिनट्स बैक व्हेन आई वाज रिकॉर्डिंग दिस, बट आई फील आई काइंड ऑफ it was not turned on the camera, and मैंने इतना ज़्यादा I think the road was also good, and I spoke so much. Now I don't know if it's captured or not. I know it got captured. Otherwise सब तो हो गया. At least I am moving as per the ETA. I mean, the ETA remains consistent. So I think I'll take stops. Like it's 8 hours and 11 minutes journey right now, but with that also I think I'll be able to reach by 7. The road now is better, a lot better than before. That whole I think it was 30 kilometers, which was really bad, and now it's better, though there is some traffic is moving slow, but the road is much better, not bumpy. I hope it remains like this. मेरे को फिर से चाय पीने का मन हो रहा है, बट एटलीस्ट आई विल कवर around 62 kilometers I think, and when it's 300 kilometers left, then I will have tea. Hope that happens fast. ऑलरेडी थिंकिंग कि अच्छा चलो अब गोवा हो जाएगा, उसके बाद क्या. आई थिंक देन आई विल डू मोर पूरा वो कोंकण स्ट्रेच. So yeah, I think I should cover up this area now. People go from here to north side because you know they already travel across these areas here, and for them riding on the mountain roads like in Himachal or Uttarakhand is something new. But I think since the time I had bought my first bike back in 2016, I have been riding on mountains. In fact, I think I never rode it in the city. It was always pahad. Again a bad patch. Slows down your speed. I hate it. अंकल गोवा को यही रोड जाती है? गोवा सीधा
उधर भटकने का नहीं, डायरेक्ट नेशनल हाईवे।
वो सतारा जाता है?
अरे सतारा नहीं जाता है भाई, बाद में फटा फूटता है।
अच्छा,
ये डायरेक्ट जाता है गोवा।
गोवा हाईवे?
ये हाईवे।
ये जीपीएस इधर से दिखा रहा है। जीपीएस इधर से दिखा रहा है।
तो नेट में मत देखो,
वो सीधा जाता है ना।
नेट के ऊपर भरोसा करके भलती जगह जाओगे, पैसा भी खर्चा होगा। इधर से सीधा हाईवे छोड़ना नहीं,
अच्छा ठीक है, थैंक यू।
बहुत दूर है।
So Google Maps was showing a different route. I had to ask someone that which one to take. Good that I asked. Apparently Maps was taking me somewhere else. He asked me to stick to the highway and not leave the highway. So I think it's, if you are confused, doubtful about anything, always ask. There's no harm in asking. Google Maps shows you different routes on the train, which doesn't make any sense. So, why not? Mr. Sundar Pichai needs to work on it. The road is a lot better now. जो उतना इंडिकेटर में कुछ थोड़ा Raigad is not that close. But I think this is a new highway what they have built. So everyone has been talking about it. Stupid peeps. Why are they going wrong way? So risky. Biker at 100 plus cannot control their speed if someone comes suddenly. wrong from wrong side. Risky for both the parties. The view is really gorgeous here. I think if you are able to see, it's really gorgeous. This makes me remember that Shimla road. So what happens? All the rocks they keep falling, and they have put the whole net and stuff there, but still it's risky. Landslides they keep happening there, and during the rainy season it's even it gets even more risky. The whole the mud slips from with all the rocks slips down on the road. A lot of cases which happened in Shimla. अंकल बोले हाईवे नहीं छोड़ने का तो नहीं छोड़ने का. ओ यार बहुत जगह था. सी must be a new driver. Ratnagiri, but don't remember for what reason. I think it's supposed to be a beautiful place. आज देख लेंगे जाते जाते कि क्या है रत्नागिरी में. So Google Maps was showing a different route. I had to ask someone that which one to take. Good that I asked. Apparently, Maps was taking me somewhere else. He asked me to stick to the highway and not leave the highway. So I think it's, if you are confused and doubtful about anything, always ask. There's no harm in asking. So they have Raigad Fort here. Sometimes Google Maps shows you different routes from the train, which doesn't make any sense. So, why? Oh, I love the roads here. Love cornering here. It's beautiful. The beauty about cornering is that, you know, there's no fun in slowing down. If you slow down, you slip. So there is this river which is just flowing एकदम right side पे parallel to the road. The view, I mean the landscape of this route is really pretty. Once the road is ready, everyone is going to enjoy this route. And I mean, I don't know if you can look at the view. Just next to this road there is a river which is flowing. I need to check the name of the river. Probably see. But yeah, the view is amazing. So I've captured some drone shots. Look at the view, yeah. The road is really beautiful. Just a little bumpy one. But नज़ारा तो है देखो. I mean just not the usual highway. And the road has been an experience. So I've taken some drone shots. Let's see how they came out. We took it in hurry as I can't waste much time. My ETA is already up by 1 hour and I have to cover up. Plan is to reach by 7, so a little short on time. Probably when I'm riding back I'll capture more, or I don't know if I'm going to come by this road because this is too bumpy. But yeah, this is one experience to drive by the river. So I think I got the name of the river. It's River Bev, B-E-V. I never heard of it. Probably my brother would know the name of this river. He's just preparing for his IAS exams. So yeah. Geography. So I think I just crossed a really rough road. I think for almost 20 kilometers. So maps show you, it shows like routes which is through the jungle or through all the kacha roads through the villages. So I prefer to stick to this national highway, because you don't know where those roads land you up, and then you are just roaming around in those rough patches. So yeah, if you are coming through this route, stick to the national highway and don't go to those roads which shows you from the interiors, because you never know, and from there GPS will even get confused more, because those roads are not really registered, or a few roads must not be pakka roads. So yeah. the color of sand changes here, red in color. It's interesting how, you know, in few kilometers even mitti ka rang changes. So I think experience has been good. The bad road, but it's been fun till now. Still 4 hours to go. I hope this is showing national highway route because it keeps on rerouting to interiors of you know, of this place, and shows the route from the interiors. I don't know why it should show. Maybe because I have chosen bike route, hence it's showing me all the possible routes which is closest to through the bike, but that's not safe. Not a lot of cars are coming from this route, maybe because of the road conditions. So yeah, not much people traveling. I just see trucks and buses coming from this route mostly, and I think localites who are traveling to nearby villages and towns, they are using this road. A lot of people on long road. Probably they are sticking to the new highway, which is the Kolhapur one. So I will try that highway while going back. So I met two people on the way. One had a small business of cutting stones. So basically this side of in this part, in this area, all the houses, they are made of not of the bricks, not the traditional bricks, but the stones, square shaped stones, which is then cut in so stones are cut in square shaped stones, and raw stones, as in whatever shape they come in from the mountain, and then they are further cut and sold, and then they use it for construction. So you will see all the houses made of those particular stones. And that guy, his name was Sandeep Mishra, so he had that business, and he was, you know, keen to know where I am from, where I'm coming from, where I'm going, on the bike. So yeah, I think you learn more about places as you interact with people. People tell you about themselves, about their stuff they do. So yeah, traveling is fun. apply brakes while cornering. It spoils your stability and you end up, skidding. Just let it go. Make your turn. But this is definitely a fun road for cornering. Looks like no one is going to Goa by this road. It's just me, or I'm early, or I'm late. चलो अच्छी बात है, खाली रोड है तो टाइम से पहुंच जाऊंगा. Don't have to take stress of traffic. More kilometers to go, and around 1 hour 40 minutes it's going to take. Oh, I'm thirsty. I'll take a break. So last 80 kilometers have been really smooth. The road is really good. It's a straight highway. I think I did break the speed limit thing. Anyway, that was fun. I did around 150 km/h. That was fun. So yeah. Last 38 kilometers, about to reach Goa. So सनराइज पे स्टार्ट किया था और सनसेट पे ख़त्म हो रहा है. आई थिंक एकदम कट टू कट. लाइट में जर्नी कवर कर लिया. वही ऑब्जेक्टिव था. Didn't want to travel in the night. It's tiring. Plus you don't enjoy anything. Nothing is visible. So yeah. Last 130 kilometers have been nice. The road has been nice. It's been smooth. Highway is really good. They do have lot of speed checks, lot of cameras and police cars on this road. This last 80-kilometer stretch is full of speed cams. That's what cops are doing here, checking the speed. So my last Goa experience was very different. I was in college and it was mixed. So kind of adventurous and was with all the friends. मज़ा भी आया था and थोड़ा सा shady भी था because of the people I think around. थोड़ा सा so it is like that. गोवा भी हर कोई अपने हर किसी का अलग ऑब्जेक्टिव है जाने का. सम पीपल गो फॉर hippiness. Some people just go to party, some people just want to enjoy the ride like me to Goa and stay by the beach. So I think everybody has their own reason to go to Goa. Till now journey has been good. Last 30 kilometers. So